Good morning, student. Today we start the chapter 4th quadratic equation. In the quadratic equation, first of all, we have to know about what is the quadratic equation. So we can say that a quadratic equation, a quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are real number and a never be equals to 0. For example, suppose that we take here 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. It is a quadratic equation. Similar, suppose that is the first, we take here second, which becomes 3x square minus 5x minus 2. It also be equals to 0. That's a quadratic equation. Kind for information, suppose that we take here the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Suppose we take here ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then we can say that here x having 2 degree, that means x have 2 वैल्यू. यहाँ x की 2 वैल्यू होगी. सपोज दैट फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज x इक्वल्स टू अल्फा and second is x equals to beta. So we can say that x equals to alpha, that means if you solve here x equals to alpha, it will be written as x minus alpha equals to 0. Okay, that's equation number first. And x equals to beta, it will be equals to x minus beta equals to 0. That's equals to second. We know that 0 into 0 equals to 0. Put here the value of 0 equals to x minus alpha, then it becomes x minus alpha into x minus beta equals to 0. After solving it, how we solve it? First of all, x multiplied by x and again x multiplied by beta, it will equals to x square minus beta x, and if you multiply here alpha by x and after that alpha by beta, then it becomes minus alpha x plus alpha beta, that will equals to 0. So we can say that it will equals to x square. Suppose we take here minus and x as a common, then it becomes minus beta plus alpha into x plus alpha into beta plus alpha into beta equals to 0. So kind for information, you can say that it implies that x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Then it is a formula of equation when alpha and beta are given. And some more information about the question here, x equals to alpha and x equals to beta, it is known as, that's known as zeros of the equation, and then second name of zeros equals to roots. That means आप इसे जीरोज भी कह सकते हो और रूट्स भी कह सकते हो. x की जो वैल्यू होती है उसे आप जीरोज भी कह सकते हो, रूट्स भी कह सकते हो. तो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा इक्वल टू 0, ये आपका इक्वेशन हो जाएगा तब जब अल्फा और बीटा पता हो रहेगा. कंपेयरिंग इट, यू नो दैट ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is the standard form of the equation. After division a, it becomes a by a cancel by a, that's become x square, b by a plus b by a, x and c by a equals 0. Compare here. So we can say that we find here, देखिए यहाँ पे x का जो कोफिशिएंट है वो आपका यहाँ से देखिए ये वैल्यू मिल रही है, और यहाँ पे x का जो कोफिशिएंट है वो ये वैल्यू मिल रही है. मतलब हम कह सकते हैं ऑन कंपेयरिंग वी फाइंड माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा equals to b by a. On comparing minus alpha plus beta equals to b by a, that means it becomes alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. And if you find here that's alpha beta and here that's c by a, then we can say that alpha beta equals to c by a. That's second part. And kind confirmation, according to previous knowledge, you know that alpha and beta are known as zeros or roots. So we write here that's sum of zeros. Why? Because we find here within the alpha and beta their operation or addition operation. So we write here sum of zeros equals to minus b by a, and here alpha into beta, it is the product of zeros. Then we can say that product of zeros equals to c by a. And that's most important point. It's most important point.